Hi, Tom.
Heyo.
Is that for an April Fool's Day prank?
Yay!
Hi there, Billy. Dane and Edna played an April Fool's prank on you? What do you think, Tom? Can you think of a fun way to get them back? What have we got here?
Hey.
A pie thrower. That will make for a great prank. Dane and Edna look like they're hard at work. They will never see this April Fool's prank coming. Bullseye! Now it's Edna's turn. Nice one, Tom. That was a fun prank and a tasty one, too. Oh, Billy, don't you think Dane and Edna have had enough? Billy, come now. It's all just meant to be good fun. Dane and Edna, run! Go after them, Tom. Billy is taking his prank too far and scaring his friends. The machine is going crazy. Billy, what have you done? What a mess. Can you help get the machine under control? It's okay, gang. Tom will fix it. Come on, Tom. You can do it. You did it. Now what? How do we clean all this up?
Hey.
A vacuum cleaner. What a great idea. Let's go clean this mess. It's okay, Billy. We all make mistakes. You're sorry for taking the prank too far, aren't you? Dane and Edna, do you forgive Billy? Great idea, you two. Why don't you all work together as a team to help Tom clean up? Last one. Take cover. Oh, Tom, you truly are the master prankster. Enjoy your snack, guys.